Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Dabney and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Luxy Hair's ponytail extensions. So I got these Luxy Hair extensions sent to me as a collaboration. So it's my first time trying the ponytail ones. I've had the other ones, the clip-in extensions, and I've used those like numerous times. And the cool thing is that they looked at my pictures on Instagram and just judged my hair off that and sent me a pair of their like natural blonde extensions, and it fits perfectly. Like the color match was done amazing and I didn't have to return it. They do like give you a strand in the box to compare to your hair. So if it is wrong, you can send it back instead of opening up the entire package. But luckily, I've never had to do that. So they have many hair colors to choose from dark to light. And my hair color is natural blonde from Luxy Hair's selection. So Luxy Hair came out with new ponytail extensions, which I am going to show you guys today. So their packaging is super cute, this pink little box. And I'm going to open it up and show you guys the ponytail and what it looks like. Okay. So the hair is quite thick and super long. Yes, girl. Oh yeah. You can cut this. I went to my salon and got my other extensions cut and styled so it kind of fits my hair and it doesn't look way too long. But you can also wash them. You can dye. I'm pretty sure you can dye them as well. But yeah, you can wash them, straighten them, curl them, and just treat them like your own hair. So this clip here is what I'm going to pin to my ponytail, and then this little strand here that's kind of hanging off on its own. This is what I'm going to use to wrap around my the top of my ponytail once it's clipped in. And the reason is so it covers that base part here. I'm going to show you guys how to use these and how to clip them into your hair and how I'm going to style my ponytail today. I'm just going to do whatever comes easiest to me just so I can like show you guys. I'm going to start by brushing my hair, and I'm going to use my roller brush, and this brush I got from HomeSense, and I kid you not, it is the best brush I've ever used. And I always use this when I blow dry my hair as well. So like I'll kind of like hold my brush like this, make a little curl, and then blow dry it at the same time, and saves like so much time, and my blow drying process is so fast, you guys. Well, thanks to this brush. Okay, I have my little supplies here on this tray. So I have my clip and then hair ties, bobby pins that they sent me as well to use, and then I have a couple clips to style my hair after. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush my hair and then use my hair tie to tie up my hair in a ponytail. And what I think I'm gonna do is actually just leave a section of my hair to the front just so I can curl it after and make it into a cute summery look. This little section I'll just keep out, and then the rest I'm just gonna brush back. And you can use hairspray to make sure your hair stays in place, but I'm just gonna do a super quick version of this to just show you guys how to use the extensions and how to properly put them on. Okay, so now my hair is in a ponytail. This I can even just do like a quick little pin back if I want, but I'm gonna just leave it and I'll curl it at the end. Step 2, you're gonna brush your hair, your Luxy Hair extensions, and always brush them, guys. It just makes it so much better. Okay, so it's pretty heavy when you like have it like held in your hand. It's actually quite heavy. So I'm gonna put these little pins here at the top of my hair tie, and then I'll somehow see how secure it is. If I need a pin any side, I'll just pin it before I start wrapping. Okay, once I feel like it's securely pinned in, I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna start wrapping it around. Okay, once I have this little strand left, I'm gonna take my pins and then I'm gonna pin those down. So what I'm going to do is take these extra pins and I'm just going to pin inwards to the top of my ponytail just to secure it even more. I feel like that should hold it all together. Before I curl the front pieces, I'm just going to show you guys quickly what it looks like from the back. So I'm going to turn around. I'm going to use my mint curling wand and just give it a curl. Perfect. I'm just going to repeat this one too. These pieces are curled. Let's see what it looks like with some pins in. It's cute. Here we go. And there you have it. Just a really cute, easy summer day look that you can wear to the beach or anywhere. And these clips that I'm wearing are from Ardennes, and you guys can use my code DAV20 for a discount, DAV20. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial, and you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you guys thought of this tutorial. And if you guys want to see more like this, leave a comment below, and yeah. I will leave you guys a discount code for Ardennes to shop these clips, and also, of course, for Luxy Hair, so you guys can shop these extensions as well. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this.